Alrighty, so we're going to be working on this chainsaw that was given to us. And I did the same thing yesterday for replacing it. So, long story short, we got this chainsaw from a customer. And yes, I'm going to be posting more vlogs, however you guys say it now these days. But I worked on this yesterday. It was fun. And today I'm going to also be restoring my grandpa's chainsaw, tearing it all down. So hopefully that can head off today. Come on, you little slugger. Wrong way. Oops. Alright, so I just got the first bolt off for the cover for the chainsaw. Just got the second one. That should just pop right out, like it should. Alright, now let's get the chains off. As you can see, I'm gonna get this blade back on. Not the blade, however you guys say it. Usually what I like to do, I like to set it up on here so that I can get a good idea on what I'm doing. Line this all up like it should, just like that. Besides these parts right here. And get that back on. And get that back on. So now me personally, what I like to do is that I don't, right here, I like to tighten that up first, so that makes life a little more easier on me. Come on, you little booger. Get inside the freaking thing. I've been having the same exact issue all day yesterday. Just trimming a bush with it. Because I can't find the attachment for my weed whacker to trim the bush. So therefore, I just use the chainsaw. Come on, you little booger. Get in there. Thank you for getting in there for me. Now the fun part, aligning the holes with the bolts. Just like so. Tighten that back down. Get it where I like it. So I usually like to leave a little bit of play in it, so that's able to function. And tighten this back up. And get the bolts back on. Always hand tighten before you do anything else. So 1, you don't strip out the bolts. 2, don't do what I usually do, strip out the bolts pretty quick. One down, another one go. Then once I can't get it enough, then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a wrench, tighten these all down. I usually give it 1, 2, so that it'll be easier on me to take off. So therefore you have it. Yes, sir. So this one is going to be the startup. I ran it earlier, half choke, like so. So she's up and going. Let's go work on my grandpa's. Alright, so I have acquired my grandpa's chainsaw right here. I'm gonna get these hoses out of the way. And not worried about it. I am gonna get this battery out of the way. Alright, cool, battery's out of the way. I'm gonna be taking off the blade right here on the chainsaw. Same exact size, like usual. Got these shoes on there. Oh man. Alright, bolt is off. Now this should just slide on over. Let's take a look. Yeah, chain is pretty rusted. I don't know if there should be that much play, but she works. I don't know if my other thing over there is gonna work right there, but let's find that out. Where did Dad take it? He probably took it because he's got another job that he has to do with it, so he wants to make sure he has a second blade always on hand. Not a blade, a chain. Alright, so I'm removing the chain right now. There's a chain. I'm gonna hang this up right there. Go ahead and take this out. Get my nice little toolkit that my mama got me out of the way. Get this thing out of the way. I don't know what I was doing with this, but get this right here on the whatchamacallit, the I don't know what it's called. But yeah, there she is right there. So I'm gonna get a metal brush, attach it to my drill, get all of this taken off, spray coat it with white, or sand it down after I'm done, and yeah, go on from there. Okay, so it took me a little bit because I was struggling with this. So let's get this off. Let's go ahead and get the thing on. Shoot, it is hot in here. Alright, that's on. Make sure the majority of the tools are out of the way. Ziploc. I don't know for what. Put my tools back in my little container. Obviously, make sure to get your angle grinder plugged in. Wrong way. Make sure always to have safety precaution. Always wear glasses. Always wear glasses while doing these kind of stuff, because you never know what could happen. Ow, hot. Alright, screw it. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use this one because it's more rough on the surface. This one's been used a lot. So, where'd I put you? Where did I put you at? Oh, right there. I'm done. That's why it wasn't even. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be using this because when it's too loose, I don't need this thing coming right back at me. And biting my butt. You can go up there. But yeah, I'm going to be using 24 grit on this. So, come on, you little booger. Get on there. So right there. Tighten that. Bada bang, bada boom. Alright, now safety glasses. It's always a protocol to wear safety glasses. I don't know where the little thing went right here, so I'm able to go like that, but I've done this before, so hopefully nothing will happen. I'm going to get back to you when this is all done, so yeah. Alright, so instead of that, I'm using a Craftsman bench grinder, because one, I didn't really kind of trust myself, especially with an angle grinder that I don't have something to grab onto. But I did a majority of that, so I'm going to go ahead and get this all nice and cleaned up. So let's get to it. So far, I've only got that bottom half. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. But let's start working up on the top half. I don't know about this, but I'll call it even. Looks kind of pretty badass. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's get this side. Alright, so long story short, I got majority of this, but I'm not gonna worry about the backside. I know, looks kind of crappy, but hey, she still runs. Since I won't be needing these anymore, toss those over there to the side. Alright. Let's go and get this chain back on. For my grandpa. Bada bang. This once our chain is going to be lubed. There you are. Your unit. Need this, so I'm able to get the blade back on. Ow. Bada bang. Come on. Thank you. Alright. Now let's get the cover back on. Cover's back on. Go ahead and put the nut back in, or bolt, whatever you guys want to call it. Then what I'm going to do next is loosen the chain just a wee bit. That's what my issue is. I tightened it too much. Okay, not that much play. Okay, so about right there. Tighten this back up. Alright, let's put all of our tools away. Bada bang, bada boom, boom shakalaka. And I use a 5.5 flathead. And I used a 14mm socket for the bowl. Set that aside. Let's go ahead and get a cold start on this. Alright, so 1. Push in. Prime it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 will do. Okay. And pull. Oh well. Come on, girl. Start up. I'm gonna take this out there. Alright. I'm out here now. So, God damn it. Okay. So I'm out here. Got the chainsaw in my hand. It's been primed 6 times, no 7. Supposed to push that in. Okay, so that's kill switch. There you have it. Now let's go get the other one. Alright, so I got the other chainsaw. Get that back up. Pull the choke out, prime it. Then first pull. Oh yeah, first pull, baby. Let's get it. Alrighty, thank you for watching.